She's good morning, good morning. We're preparing for our lunch and dinner. So Tuesday today here in Marilao, Bulacan. So we're gonna cook tinola and cauliflower with shrimp. Yan, gulay. So we have chicharo, carrots, for our gulay, and then we'll have our tinola. So sayote, siling, dahon, sibuyas, bawang, and siling haba for our tinola. Yan, let's start. So we'll be starting with our cooking. So na-prepare na natin ingredients natin. For the tinola, we have chicken legs or sayote, siling haba, or siling dahon. For the vegetable, we have cauliflower, chicharo, carrots, and our spring. Ayan, sinapit natin ulit ang ulo. And our sibuyas and bawang. Let's start cooking. Naubusan tayo ng LPG ba ang tawag. So, dito na lang tayo sa ating electric stove pagluluto. Medyo madilim lang. Silang light. So, ayan. Ayan. Mag-isa na natin yung sibuyas, bawang, and our shrimp head. Mamshi, nilagyan na natin yung cauliflower tsaka 1 cup of water and mga 2 tablespoon of patis. So, ayan. Pasensya na. Medyo dark ang ating at walang light dito sa ating electric stove. Mamshi, nilagay natin ang ating chicharo, carrots, and naglagay tayo ng a little bit of sayote from our tinola para mas masarap ang ating cauliflower with shrimp vegetables today. Mamshi, ayan. Maluluto ng ating cauliflower with shrimp. Ayan, lagay natin ng shrimp. Ayan, luto ng ating shrimp. So, let's proceed to our tinola. Hindi kasi kasya, kaya hindi natin mapagsabay. Medyo masikip ang ating for kawali and caldero for the tinola. So, next is the tinola. Sana magustuhan ni Paps yung ating ulam tonight. For our tinola, so sibuyas, bawang, lagyan natin ng 2 tablespoon of patis kasi may sabaw-sabaw niya. Later, garlic sauce din. Sinasangkutsa muna natin ang chicken bago natin lagyan ng water. Ayan, para lumabas muna yung juice niya. Siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes natin siyang isangkutsa. Sa oil, sibuyas, bawang, and patis. Done na tayo sa pagsangkutsa. Lagyan na natin ng 4 cups of water or tinola. Sayote.
I would like to emphasize here the use of language. So I would like to commend
go together with the chicken para maglambot siya. So later, we'll place the garlic salt for taste. Nalagyan na natin ng patis kanina, 2 tablespoon. And the dahon ng sili will be, and the siling haba. Pagka lumambot na yung ating sayo, put the siling haba and the dahon ng sili. For taste, walang available na malunggay leaves. We can have lunch. Luto na ang ating tinola together with our cauliflower with shrimp. So, no rice, no rice. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.